This is a review of slope and types of slope. The first thing we're going to review is just identifying the types of slope, knowing whether they are positive, negative, zero, or undefined. And that is something that we can remember from some classes ago. This is just a quick review. So if your line is going up from left to right, that is a positive slope. If your line is going down from left to right, that is a negative slope. When you have a line that doesn't go up or down but goes left to right, or a horizontal line, that is called a zero slope. And when you have a slope with a line that is vertical, that is called an undefined slope. So just as a review, we have four types of slope. We have positive, negative, zero, undefined. This one would be a zero slope. This one would be a positive slope. The next thing that we're going to review is how to determine the slope from a line. So in this case, I have this line, and they are giving me 2 points. They are marking this point and this point. The slope, if we remember, is the vertical change over the horizontal change. In order for me to find this, I'm going to create a triangle. That's one of the ways to do it. This is a positive slope. I'm going up from my point, and then I'm going to the right. Always up or down, and always to the right. Always to the right. So now I'm going to count not the numbers here, but how many squares of the grid did I move up, in this case 4 up, and how many to the right, and in this case is 1 and 2 squares, which means that the slope of this line is 4/2. If you put this slope in your graphing calculator, it's going to give you a result of 2. Remember that a slope of 2 is the same as a slope of 2/1. How do I know that the slope is 2/1? Look, if I go 2 up, 1 to the right, I also get back to my line. These are two equivalent fractions. We have studied equivalent fractions in the past, and we will review them in the near future. Let's take a look at this other line. We're going to find the slope of this line. Again, I have 2 points. That are given to me. I'm going to create my triangle. This time, from left to right, I am going down, so I know this is going to be a negative slope. I stop here because my point is right here. And now I'm going to count my squares on the grid. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Because I'm going down, this is a slope of -5/4. And this fraction cannot be simplified. So that's how the slope ends, -5/4.